President Andres Bonifacio College President Sancho at the Polo City Landmark. Total construction cost amounting to 17 million of the late Amando Amatong's vision.
Benigno Noynoy Aquino III.
Upang mapanday ang kasanayan ng ating mga kabataan tungo sa magandang kinabukasan. Ang kalsada, may puno na ngayon. Hindi na ng mga may gilid na hills at pag-contract, di ba? So ang problema niyan, eventually
Thank you very much, President Aquino. He has granted the request for a photo opportunity with him in...
Ito ba Liloy?
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you so much.